Hello, I'm Brian McDonald, Superintendent of the Pasadena Unified School District. I hope that you and your families are healthy and safe. 2020 has been a year that has challenged all of us. The COVID-19 pandemic has tested us in so many ways. I am proud that PUSD has stayed focused on our mission of providing a caring, engaging, and challenging educational experience for every student, every day. We have met this challenge by being agile in adapting to constant change in order to serve our community. I know that this year has been very difficult for our students, and we hope to return to on-campus learning as soon as it's safe to do so. As we enter the new year, I'm excited about the future. With our track record of being an effective, efficient, and innovative district, and with excellent and dedicated staff, we are positioned to get even better. On behalf of the PUSD team, thank you for your commitment to PUSD. May you have a happy and healthy holiday season.